Hi, I'm Mike Milburn with JD Young Technologies, and today we'll be talking about the Canon imageRUNNER 4535. So today we're going to talk about what might be causing streaks on copies on your Canon imageRUNNER 4535. This could be true for any device in your office, but anytime you're feeding originals through a document feeder and you're getting streaks on copies, they're more than likely being caused by this little glass right here where the document passes past this scanner. To clear those up, it's probably due to lint or dust on this little mirror. Take this cloth, it's a lint-free cloth, and just wipe off any debris that might be laying in this little slit window and simply close it back, reproduce the copies, and your streaks should be gone. If the streaks aren't gone, it's probably due to something inside the device. In that case, you're going to need to go to jdyoung.com, call for a service call. Thanks for watching. If you need more information on your Canon products, please visit jdyoung.com.